I'm the king of the game, in the crowd roar. Every line I pour, make them back for more. I explore new heights, open up new doors. I'm the king, the bringer of the lyrics of stories. I'm the flame in the dark with my mind's heart. I'm a shark with my words. I'm unstoppable, untouchable, like a renegade. I'm breaking through barriers like a hurricane.
I'm a liquid genius, my words cut like a sword.
I step on stage, no pain.
I am the grandmaster.
The mind control, and that's my reward.
I'm the one they look up to.
Yeah, we're the ones that they adore. Pay attention to my words, making the blind see every single line. My legacy forever restore. I'm the dream, go, the rise that's feeling. Ain't no one, ain't no one, ain't no one like me. You know what I'm saying? The game changer. I'm on the level, like a QB. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Hey, Aiden's the GOAT, the one you should know.
The one that shows, the one that is ready. Yeah, he is ready. He's so cool, but he's like a fool, ready for the school. Hey, yeah. Ready, yeah, ready for the hype stuff. I'm done. It's too short, ready for football. He can catch it. Sometimes he can flop. Like my flop.